can make decisions in the sketch. So I left out a lot of the detail of the shirt, even in the beard, leaving out a lot of detail and just finding certain edges and shapes that I like and have a unique character to them. If you find every detail, it doesn't allow one certain area to be seen as much because all the information, the detail can distract. I always think of music, if there's too many instruments playing at one time, you can't hear the special one that's supposed to be playing in that particular moment, and it's not gonna be very effective. Like this line, I almost found that, but it would give a strong sense of his shape, but it would be too long to me. It's kind of a personal thing depending on your message of what you want to convey in the painting, but if I had found that edge all the way, it might be more about the strong presence and could be a little bit more imposing or intimidating or something. Maybe if he had a little bit more of a harsh look on his face. But getting rid of that made it more where you can just sense the light. And here I can move around it, that won't get stuck on the shape. So yeah, I just used that to draw the line drawing, which is pretty light, and that way it helped me to not get stuck in all these, doing all the information, all the detail. You can just simplify it.